Chapter 1.2 Property Ownership and Land Use Controls, California Real Estate. Exam key concepts, summary types of roofs, hip roof, a roof with four sides sloping down to the eaves, commonly seen in residential homes. Gable roof, a roof with two sloping sides forming a triangular shape, one of the most popular styles in housing. Mansard roof, typically used in commercial buildings. Has sloping edges with a flat top which helps conceal equipment like HVAC units. Gambrel roof, also known as the Dutch barn roof, common in rural or agricultural buildings. Dormer, a window that projects vertically from a sloping roof and has its own small roof, often emphasized in exam questions. Encumbrances and easements. What is an encumbrance? An encumbrance is any claim, lien, charge, or liability attached to real property that may limit the owner's rights. Examples include mortgages, property taxes, easements, easement basics. An easement is a non-possessory interest in another's land. The party who benefits from the easement is called the dominant tenement. The party who bears the burden is called the servient tenement. Example: if property B has the right to cross property A, then property A equals servient property B equals dominant types of easements. A pertinent easement involves two adjoining parcels of land. The easement runs with the land and is transferred with property ownership. Easement in gross belongs to a person or company, not a specific parcel. Often granted to utility companies, considered personal property, not real estate. Prescriptive easement created through long-term continuous and unauthorized use of another's land. Similar to adverse possession, but without ownership transfer. Life estate versus fee title life estate, a form of ownership limited to the lifetime of a person. When the life tenant dies, the property goes to the original grantor, or a designated third party. Key points. The life tenant may sell, lease, or borrow against the property. However, they cannot will the estate because it ends with their death. Fee title, the highest and most complete form of real property ownership. Ownership is perpetual and can be inherited or transferred freely. Land use maps. Plot, plat, and topographic. Plot map shows the location of structures on a specific lot and their relationship to surroundings, used to visualize how a property is developed. Topographic map shows the physical elevation and contour of the land. Plat map shows the arrangement of lots in a subdivision, used in planning and zoning to identify property boundaries,